No disturbance, no need to wish back. Yes, get ready. Today we will be learning about the number before, between, and after. That means one number will be given. You'll have to find the number before, the number in between two numbers, and the number after the given numbers. You can just watch. Just observe the given number. Now, the number given here is 517. We are going to deal with numbers from 100 to.
106.
Please don't write anything.
Right.
Parents, please help them. Close your maths notebook and just
Parents,
observe.
please.
Do not write anything in your maths note. Close your maths note and just listen.
Close your book. Sit quiet.
Close your notebook and sit quietly and just observe the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, see the number given over there. It is 517. That is 517. You have to find the number just before that. You're too small to go to the big number like this. Now just see the next one. Just see the ones place number. You no need to read. If anyone is missing this class, this will help you, these notes.
Ma'am, we have to
Don't, please don't write, children. Just look at the screen and observe.
take.
Just
Okay.
see the ones place number. Ones place number is 7. Tens place number is 1. Hundreds place number is 5 over there. Don't worry about all this, just to tell you, because you don't have the textbook, I am just showing you how to do it. When you deal with the numbers, it will be easy for you. Now, ones place number is 7. You have to find out the number before 7. Which number comes before 7? 6. Number 6. Number 6 comes before 7. So, you have to write down 516 before 570. When you count from 510, 510, 511, 512, 513, 514, 515, 516, 517. Just observe only the numbers. Don't worry about any notes there. And no need to copy anything. So you get 516
Ma'am, this is right,
just,
ma'am.
just before 517. You get 516. Children, I told you many times, don't open your notebook, don't write anything. Parents, please help them out. In between, don't ask any questions. Now, we'll go to the next number. Just have a look at these numbers. Now, how we found the first number? We just observe the ones place number. We just observe the ones place number in the first number. Same way, just see which number is in first ones place. 9. Here all 9, 9, 9. 999. Take the ones place number. It's 9. Now, which number comes before 9? All will be knowing. 8. So here 998. When you deal with many numbers, you will know. Don't worry about the first class now. You just observe. So you get 998 before 999. One number less than the given number. So after 998, you get 999. Just adding 1 to the given number. Now just see the second number. 625. Here, hundreds place is 6, tens place is 2, ones place is 5. Just take one number before the given number. You get 4 before 5. You can write 62.
Ma'am,
Children, if you ask questions in between, I will stop. I told you not to write anything. Do not write anything. Now you get 600 before 625. When you count, you will get 624, 625. Shashwata, yeah. Please don't disturb in between. Mukilan, turn off your camera. Puneet Jain. Thank you. Now, third number. Just look at the screen. Only observe the numbers. One number is given. That is 728. 728. Just check the number before 8. Just see in your mind. You get 7 before 8. Write 72 as it is. Then you get 727. Just look at the number, children. You cannot learn maths by heart. You have to see. Now, see the first number, 998, 999. You're just adding 1 to the given number. Second one, 624, 625. Next, 727, 728.
ma'am, we have to write.
I just want to know who's speaking because I cannot see the person over here. I told you, we sent a message also. Don't write anything. Now we'll go to the next set of numbers. Don't write anything. Just have a look at this. Now, to write the number between, already the first number is given and the last number is given.
Ma'am, shall I write?
So, children, please don't write. Children, parents, help them out, please. The same child is going on asking questions.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Do not write anything, please. I already sent a message. Don't write anything. Now, see the first number. 897. Which number comes after 7? You just take ones place alone because you are writing the number in between two numbers. So 100th place number is the same. 10th place number is the same. Take ones place number. First number is 7 and one number is missing in between these two numbers. So 7 in ones place and 9 in ones place. If you take the third number over here. So which number comes in between 7 and 9? After 7, 8. Before 9, 8. So you 898. Don't write anything, just have a look. 807, 888, 899. You have to read in your mind after writing the answer. You have to read in your mind. Just see the first row of numbers. One number is missing in between these two numbers. Now you got the answer. So only one's place number is changing. 7, 8, 9. If you add 1 to 9, it will change. That will take. Just observe this. Now take your next number. Same way, 701. If you count in your mind, you will get the next number. But again, check the ones place number over here. 1. 0. 100 place 7. John Matthew, please don't write. Now you have to observe the class. Do not write anything. Thank you. Now, first number is 701. Second column, one number is missing. Last number, 703. Just check the ones place number 1. First number 1. The third number, ones place number is 3. 100th place 7. 10th place 0. You won't be able to understand now. That's why I'm asking you to see the numbers. When you see the numbers, you will know. Now, after 1, you get 2. Before 3, you get 2. So you can have the number after 701, the number before 703. That will be the number between these two numbers. Just observe. The question is on top, answer is down. Please don't ask again, can we write? I never had this problem before. Today all are asking whether to write. I told you not to write when I started this class, and I sent a message also. Please cooperate with me, children. Now, take your next number. You can observe for 1 minute or 1 second. You can observe. $855. When you wrote the missing numbers, you wrote the number after 855. Last number, 857. The number between 5 and 7. Just see the ones place number. 5, 7. You get 6. So you have to write 856. 856. Now, take your next number. There is no need of explanation now because now you must be knowing how to write the number between the given two numbers. Now, take letter D, next row of numbers. 990. 990. After 990, you can just say the number in your mind after 90. Even you can take the ones place number, that is 0, and write the next number. Take 92, write the number before that, or take 2 alone, just see the number before 2. 2 ways. 990, next number 991. 991. Now, just observe this A, B, C, D, all the numbers. Don't write. Just see the missing numbers. Now, see how you get the numbers in between. Don't write anything. You can go back to the same numbers and just observe it carefully later. Now, all the numbers are written. 897. This is like missing numbers. 898. 859. Next, 701. 702. 703. Next row of numbers. 855. 856. 857. Last row of numbers. 990. 991. 992. Now you saw all the numbers. We are not going to write these numbers now. Now we'll go to the next heading. The number after. Now we finish seeing the number before, the number in between. Easily you can tell me the numbers. No, don't say now. Number after 630. As you count in your mind and write, just add 1 to the given number. After 30, what will you get? You get 31. After 0, what will you get? 1. So after 0, you get 1. After 30, you get 31. After 630, you get 631. You get 631. Hope it's clear. No need to answer. I will ask you later, towards the end of this class. Now, next number. 766. After 6, you get 7. Just observe the number. After 66, you will get 67. Now, hundreds number is too much for you because too small. You all are too small. So you can write 1 next to 6. You can write 1 next to 66. Then 1 after 700. 766. You get 767. Now, this is little bit tough for you because ones place number is 9. Tens place you have 0. Hundreds place you have 8. So you have to see when you add 1 to 9, what will you get? You get 10. 9 plus 1, you get 10. So the tens place 0 will change into 1. Ones place 9 will change into 0. So you get 809 plus 1, you get 810. Now you just observe these numbers. Just observe this number. Then now take your next row of numbers. Don't write anything. Now I'll tell you one by one. Now open your classwork note. Open your classwork note. Children, open your classwork note, children. Open your classwork note. Why I'm not coming on the screen? Then all will start wishing me. Now you take your classwork note, take a new page. Slowly, just write Roman number 3. Just look at the screen. Write Roman number 3. Never mind, you write Roman number 3. Don't worry about 1 and 2. Just write this. Roman number 3. Now write the question, parents. Just write only the question. Write the number before, after, and between. This is your homework. You have to copy from the screen now. I'll tell you what to do. Just look at the board. I mean on the screen, sorry. I was thinking of the classroom. Now, just write W R I T E. Write T H E. The number. 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 Before. BEFORE. Before, comma, after, and after spelling AFTER. After, and AND, and BETWEEN. Between. In bracket, you can write HW, short form of homework. HW. Now, leave 1 square in the margin and write A. Then leave a line B. Only in the margin. Don't write anything else. Leave a line C. How to do here? Leave a line D. When you write maths, you have to leave 1 square. Then leave a line E. The same way, first column dash. Take letter A, dash. Children, listen to me. Dash. Leave a square after dash. Right? You listen to me, the first one. You have to write on the same way all other numbers. Leave a square, there you put dash. Leave 1 square. After that, you leave the second square. Write 318 on the third. In the third square, write 318, 318. Leave a square. Leave a square, dash. Once again, I will tell you the same pattern you have to follow. Once again, I'll tell you. Take the first column, put dash. That is A, letter A. Put dash. Leave a square, 318. Third square, write 318, 318. Leave a column, leave a square, dash. Don't write any answer now. Don't answer. Don't ask any question now. Don't answer now. Just listen to me. Now, you left 1 square down and you have written B. Same way, put dash in the first column. Put dash in the first column. Then, same way how you left 1 square up just above that number, you leave 1 square. Put dash, leave a square. Second square you have to leave. Third square, write 495. 495. Third column. Same way how we have written the previous one. Then leave a square. Leave a square. First column dash, second column you have to leave. Third column write the number. Fourth column you have to leave. Fifth column dash. So A and B is the same. A and B is the same. Now leave 1 column down. C. First column 812, 812. Leave 1 square. How you left the previous row. Leave 1 square. Put a dash on the third column. Dash. Take the third column, put dash. So below 495, nothing will be there. 812, leave 1 column, dash, leave 1 column. That you can leave it because this is number after. Last column, nothing. 812, leave 1 column, dash. Third column, dash. Nothing on the next column. Now D. D. First column, put a dash. Draw one small line. First column, leaving one square there. D. Dash. Leave a column. Leave one column after dash. Third column, write 610. 6, 1, 0. 610. 6, 1, 0. After that, leave a square. Fifth column, dash. How it's written for B? B and D, the same. How you have written for B? Same way. First column, dash. Leave one column. Third column, write the number. Fourth column. Tangareknam, please turn off your camera. After 610, leave a square. Next column, dash. Last one, E. Leave a line. E. 900 in your first column. You don't worry about all this because you can go back and see the numbers written and you can write it. Now, leave one square after 900. Then put a dash. So, first one, you have to write the number before and after. Number before. Second one, number before, after. Third one, only number after. Where I put dash, there only you have to fill in the numbers. D, number before and after. E, number after. Now you have to do this in your maths classwork. Now hope you are doing all your work, because I will ask you at any time to show your notebook, and you'll have to just
Ma'am, I'm not
your
finished.
notebook and show. Never mind, you can do it. This is your homework. Somebody over there. Sit down. Okay. Okay, children. Now you can do your work. Next class, you have to complete this and must be ready. I told you I'll ask you questions. Not now, after doing this.
Ma'am, I not write the first.
Never.
number.
Only this Roman number 3 you have to write. Only Roman number 3, it's written homework. You have to write in your classwork note. Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Only Roman number 3. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
I don't. Okay.
Thank
Now
you,
you can leave the
ma'am.
classroom.
You
You can leave the classroom.
ma'am.